Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to copy a board on monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, go and register if you already do not have a profile. So guys, now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, as you can see, we have the home button, we have my work, and the boards which you can of course have. And also in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and copy a board on monday.com. So to duplicate only the structure of the board, click into the board menu and then click on more actions. And then click on duplicate board. Then of course, from the resulting screen, select structure only. So note that you hit click on structure only. Note, you must be a member of the workspace which the board belongs to in order to duplicate it. So if you're not a member of the board, you cannot then go and duplicate it. So be sure that you are indeed a member. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.